are some of the most exciting and thrilling places that we would definitely love to visit. Imagine how fast your heart would beat if you were here. It's a pretty exciting place for sure. It is so hard to believe that this place exists. Ain't that a view? Oh wow. Wouldn't you just love to be here? This red river is mesmerizing. These views are very aesthetically pleasing. This one is as beautiful as it is scary. Doesn't this look like an eye to you? Thank you for watching with us.